Bakit ginagawa mo ang ginagawa mo? Bakit ka nagpapakahirap? Bakit sobrang sipag mo? Kahit pagod ka na, go ka lang ng go. Alam mo, habang tumatagal yung trabaho natin at marami ng pressures and stress, minsan nakakalimutan natin why we work in the first place. Why we sacrifice so much. Isang symptom ng pagkalimot ay kawalan ng pasasalamat. The lack of gratefulness. You start complaining. Yes, mahirap siya. Pero maybe you wanna recall the first time you got that blessing, that opportunity na matagal mo nang hinihintay. Kaya kung ikay napapagod na, nababurnout na, at parang gusto nang sumuko, balikan mo yung purpose of why you're there in the first place. If that purpose still holds true, then continue. Pero kung nagbago na ang why mo, maybe you have a new purpose in life. Maybe you have a new motivation. Then it's time to move forward. Pero one purpose remains. It's because of love. Ginagawa mo yan para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Para sa future nila. Kaya the greatest motivator is not fear, but it's actually love. And if you have love, you can overcome anything. And since God is love, then you will have His strength. Kakayanin mo kahit gaano kahirap. Darating din yung araw that everything you sacrificed will pay off. If you offer your sufferings to God, God cannot be outdone in generosity. Mabibless ka din dahil sa pagsisikap.